So just like I did, I'm sure some of you have wondered how H&M got these photos. You know, they got the coolish feels, wintry feel. This wasn't from the winter collection, but I always wondered how they got these looks. And I will show you how to get these looks, these H&M feel to these images. Stay tuned. So let's get started with this picture. I'm gonna get you to edit professionally and edit like H&M did, you know, in that wintry image. So not to speed it up or anything, but I'm sure y'all should know by now by watching my other videos, we just bring down the temperature. Actually, this is another video, never mind. Bring up the pink tint. And bring down this exposure just a little bit, only because the shadows is going to bring it up a little bit, and so will the contrast. You'll see that right now, but yeah, now we're at shadows. Bring this up so you can see her eyes and the leaves. Come to the clarity, put it at like 65, not too high, not too low. 64, 65, doesn't matter, same thing. Come to the luminance, noise reduction. Bring this all the way to 100, all the way to 100, and all the way to 100. Give that dull look like the other images. And that's the tag we're going for. Alright, sorry, let's go to the vibrance right here. Bring this up so you can tell the skin tone and all that. So bring up the vibrance, not too high, not too low, just enough to bring up the skin tone. Come to the colors. Let's go with the magenta. Bring this up, more skin tone, so she won't look, you know, completely dead like I have, because I set the image at that. That was my fault. Purple. Bring this down. You'll see the difference in the background. Look at the background as we bring this down. I don't know if y'all noticed it. See that completely? And we want the purple down. We want this blue to look like that skyish blue. So bring that down. Not completely, just down. Come to the green. Bring up the green to make the leaves look different. You'll see the difference right there. See the difference? Now back to the shadows. Bring this shadow just a little bit up. Just a little bit. Keep it on like 20, maybe 24. A little bit lower than that. 19's good. Green primary. Let's bring this down. And such as the blue primary. Not too down, just bring it down, just enough. And that gives it that dramatic but awesome look. Look at the before and after. Look at that difference. There's a big old difference. This one looks so much more professional than this one. That kind of shows you on how I like to edit my photos, and that shows you how H&M does it. So now you know.